Is that a good popsicle? Can you eat some popsicle? Do it myself. You're eating the wrong end of the popsicle. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No? You don't think so? Is the popsicle no good? You're not just gonna drop it, are you? Put it in your mouth, or put it on the tray. You silly. Are you silly? Hey, that's not a good thing to do with a popsicle. Hey, you are a silly girl. That is gonna fall out. Uh-oh. Now what are we gonna do?